exactly what's happening.
It's another car cruise, it's another thing. It's all going on, but it's getting lively. Yo, do you want a hug?
No.
Hug.
Car says,
Let's get into it, come on.
fucking hell.
Look at what's happening. Hello.
No, can you shut the door?
Yeah, of course I can. Oh, right, I would prefer driving with the door open, I'll be honest.
Nice, what's happening, man?
I tell you what, right, this is where I come shopping normally, my Marks and Spencer's. This is my weekly shop, but fuck me.
So,
take over.
Up above Tesco is my local and this is yours.
This is my local.
What's happening?
There we go, filled up pretty quick though, isn't it?
It is filled up mighty fucking quick in here. Cars coming and coming. All is fairly fucking busy over here. And boys over here asking us what's happening.
What's happening?
Tell you what's happening.
What's happening, lad? Boss and his number plate. Oh,
I love this, I know. Yeah, it's more boss than you fucking are, innit?
This in the 50s looks good, mate.
Oh, nice. That's lovely, that shit is. Here we are, it's a new one for us. People sleeping in a car at a meet. What's happening, lady? How you doing? Get a fucking bit of rest, eh?
I love this Beamer though.
I do love this Beamer too. It's a very delightful looking thing. There's the skyline. We do love the skyline.
I need a fucking skyline in my life.
Yeah, you've had a piss
look,
now.
look,
Now we need a
look, what's
skyline.
there?
What? Oh, fuck
It's
yeah.
got fucking protectors on it.
Oh, but it needs protectors on it. It's a delicate thing. It needs fucking reserving,
That's
innit?
fucking better.
Oh, yeah. What's happening? Remember him? I remember him. Boy was on a thumbnail previously.
Here we go. Oh, that though.
That's fucking quite nice, isn't it, to be fair?
Sorry, I was going to take a picture of you boys.
Hey, what's going on, bro? 2 seconds, I'll be with you.
Man.
I didn't even know where it's going to be, but
Let's get the megaphone out there.
it's fucking lively though, isn't it? Come on, gentlemen, it's nice to see you all, bro. Definitely.
Where's you right?
I'm having a few beers tonight, so I've come as a passenger tonight.
Guest.
But yeah, so why not, innit? To be honest, I don't want to bring it to it. It's still in like that. Bloody bubble.
The XR8 thing.
Yeah, exactly. It's outside the house.
206 things.
Yeah, I'll bring it next week, probably.
Oh, this. I love this car. This was awesome on a recent thumbnail, wasn't it? Fucking love it, we do. We fucking...
Honestly, go there. You know, I used to be an Audi boy, true story.
You did though, yeah. That's low, mine, isn't it?
Fuck, they 4 up in a coupe. I couldn't get 4 up in a coupe.
No, I fucking couldn't either. And I'm only a little one. Oh, here we are. Birds and blankets is starting up again, obviously. I haven't seen any car sitting today, but it's only going to be a matter of fucking time, innit?
Tell you what, this focus is getting my attention over here, man. Fucking drones flying, fuck me.
Oh, yeah. Here's our resident fucking stuntman. How you doing, boy?
You're still standing on the ground, bro.
Yeah, I know. Present for you.
Oh, slam in.
Quick, do something mental. Fucking hell. That's where you know him from.
Fucking knows me.
You gonna give us a show tonight?
Oh, I don't know. I do charge now.
Do you? So do we. What?
Fucking show up, give me a
Fucking shame you are, but shameful. There's a fucking Fiesta there, revving, missing a bit of trim off the side, and you ain't fucking jumping on it. Here we go, watch this now. Here he goes, in his natural habitat. There he is, beautiful boy. Oh, he's handsome, aye. Nice one, bud.
Yes, we got a bit of V6, yeah, G over there.
Yeah, yeah.
But did you shave your fucking pubies?
You'll find out fucking later, maybe, if you're lucky. What's he doing? Have a look at the fucking bag on it. No! That was a good fucking effort, though, wasn't it? Fair play, like. Back to stuntman school he goes, isn't it?
What's about then?
Fucking drone up here. Look at this now. This little fucker's following me. Probably trying to steal my fucking thoughts.
I like this focus. Sitting nice.
Focus, pocus. Yo, that's the focus.
Yeah, Wagwan.
Welcome back to another episode of Willie Fit. So here we've got MX5, or a UNOS I think this one is actually. So there we are, let's see if the big boy fits in it. Shit it out.
Do actually fit?
Look at that, he's like a fucking, he's like, you know when the clowns are in the miniature cars?
True story.
Can you shut the door?
Yeah, of course I fucking can. Oh, right. I would prefer driving with the door open, I'll be honest.
You would prefer driving with the fucking door open? You like toothpaste going back in the fucking tube, eh?
Oh, I love this. I literally fucking love it. True story.
How are your knees doing? They don't look comfortable.
Well, I tell you what, I'm all up in a squash, like, but, you know, it's one of these things, you tack it to the one side,
Right.
you know what I'm saying?
What are we saying? Willie Fit? Is it a yes? Is it a no?
I'm in.
You're in?
I'm in. I've been in tighter places. True story.
You probably couldn't move, but you are in.
Yeah, right. Buy one of these cars. Honest to God, if the roof was down, I'd be loving life. True story. This is wicked, man. Buy an MX5. True story. Right, I gotta try and get out now. This isn't gonna be graceful. How little the doors are, though.
Yeah, it's not a massive car, is it? You're a massive man, but that's not a massive car. Jesus, it's like a fucking optical illusion watching you coming out
I
of
love
that.
that, bro. Literally love it.
There we are in real
Watching it
time.
live in the making. It's all happening.
Stickers going on, look.
Viking video. Yeah, that's good. This looks good.
What's happening? Thank you kindly. Oh, I want to go and see a dog. He wants to go and see a fucking Astra.
Yeah, man. Come on. Car review is not dog review, isn't it? It's sitting good. Tell you what, I
It's
love
an
the
Astra.
diffusion on that.
Yep.
Let's blast around it. Sitting good, I like that.
You've never heard me so quiet looking at a car.
Come on,
It's not a dog, is it? Where the fuck is everyone going?
we following the man then?
There's a crowd over here. I don't know where the fuck they're going, but we following them. I think we're going round the circle, but the good news is we are going to meet up with our dog. Look at this little dog coming towards me. Hello? 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 Hello, how are you? You okay? You alright? Oh, you're lovely, you know. Hello? What you doing? Oh, you biting the fucking bush? What are you biting the bush? What you doing biting the bush? What you doing biting the bush? What you doing biting the bush? Come here. You're safe now, are you? You marked safe from bush. It's nice to meet you, but fuck me, you're a calamity.
Well, we're going to actually do a video, bro.
Right, look, there's fucking smoke going on over there. I've just been talking to a dog, I was pleasant, and now we're walking down this line of cars. This is literally what's happening.
Right, my man, the Range Rover, needs to sort his orange little ambient light out.
Yeah, that's not quite even either side, is it?
Although, Audrey the Audi, everywhere we go.
Audrey the Audi, everywhere we go. Always Audrey. Half a rev. Now he's having a go, he's not quite pulling it off. There we are, look at this. Fucking love this. This isn't unlike the Area 51 one, which has got a white roll cage in it and I believe white wheels. But it's fucking lovely. As far as orange 350s go, that's a lovely one.
Right, there we go. So the boy's catching up a messages. So I'm gonna do some Laura Croft things what's going on here. Check that, that's purposeful. Just about making it out in that light. It's all black, everything. It's happening. That is fucking lovely. Even love all that shit on the door. The bed stuff. That is purposeful. Yo, that snorkel is higher than you though. Stand next to that snorkel.
It might be taller than me, it's not fucking higher
Bruv,
than
you
me.
would drown before that Land Rover does. True story.
Makes me feel sad. What wheels are on this fucking Polo?
Oh shit. They TTs, man. TT comps.
Like we were saying yesterday in Caffeine the Machine, innit?
Yeah, exactly.
See him on everything else other than a TT.
Straight bolt on for a bag, innit, you know? which is nice. Let's go through these. And there's I got time for them. But this Golf over here is sitting pretty right through to the Mr. What is it? Mr. Octopus or Mrs. Octopus? Look at that, what's happening? Hello. That's going on. Oh, we're not in focus. Oh shoot. We're still not in focus. Right, so we've got a nice Golf with some little fog lamps going on. What's happening? Oh, but that Golf, I fucking love that. Hyundai things. So much time for that Golf. I literally fucking love that. Everything about it.
You fucking missed it.
What have we done now? Come on, there we go. That gives us time.
Fucking spoiler.
She's on a spoiler. Come and find me when we're getting it done. We love it really.
Wait, something like that. No.
Something like that, innit?
There we go, it's
Look,
golden
there's a couple here sharing a blanket.
sapling.
You've got to love her.
Oh yeah, gotta love that. Right, yo, I'm not a cameraman, but there we go. Do you want it?
Look at this though. There's a boy on a bonnet. I recognise who's happening, bud. Here he is, look, fucking mad bastard. Jesus, here he comes. Our resident fucking stuntman. Did he get the fucking please tonight, innit he? Absolute fucking madman. Oh, here he fucking comes. He's got a steering wheel this time, look. That'll help him, won't it?
There we go, that's the end of that one. What
Here
you
we
saying?
are. We're on the wrong side, but never mind. That's
Oh
gonna work,
yeah, I
right,
don't like
innit?
that. You're on the wrong side.
I know, innit? But this is done. Feds here. Everybody's piling out. So I imagine we're piling out. We're crossing the road dangerously. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Give us a fucking thumbs up if you haven't already. It helps us out. It's no fucking
Share
effort
it as
for you,
well.
innit?
True story.
Get it all done, innit? But until next time, thank you very much.